Hello, if you're looking for a desk lamp for your office, then you definitely would like to hear about this one. The full disclosure, the seller provided me with this lamp so I can test it out and share my overall thoughts with you. Everything came security packaged and well protected. No scratches or damage at all. You'll find the double headlamp, heavy base, metal clamp, adapter, and manual all neatly organized in a box. What I also love about this lamp, it actually comes with manual, and you can see you have two different ways to install this lamp. You can use a stand, or you can actually use a clamp and attach it to your table. The stand that you can see right here on the bottom, it has like non-scratching pad, so you don't need to worry that the lamp can scratch your table. The installation of this lamp is actually very easy. We can just put it in all the way, tightening the screw right here, and it's ready to go. This lamp, it actually has very nice, sleek and modern design, and if you have a little bit limited space and you would like to use a clamp for your table, this could also work, and you can still have a lot of light and a lot of area to lit up. And I really like this slim and very modern design because it doesn't really overpower my space, but I can still have a lot of light to work at night. You can see this has so many points where you can tighten it up and adjust it to your space. So we have one right here, the same right there. So it depends on your space. If you have two monitors, one, you kind of want it to be more close. So like we can untighten it right here, for example, and you can see I can bring it up, bring it more down, this way, that way. Really depends on your space, and then we can tighten it all back up, and you can adjust it the way you prefer and the way you like it. What I love about this lamp is that it actually features 3 different brightness levels. So here our regular brightness level, then we can turn it into cold color, and here's the more warm color temperature. And as you can see, this is like super bright right now, and we can make it more dimmable and go a little bit down. And what I really love about this lamp is that you can adjust it to your preference. So for example, if you're reading or watching your favorite show, you can see that this lamp could be perfect for bright space, darker space, day or night, and it really depends how much you want light in your space. And as you can see here right now at my working space, it just lit my whole table all the way. And another point I absolutely love that now it's actually on a clamp, so it does not take any space away from my working area. And since I only have a laptop right here, I actually want to move one of the lamp to one side and show you the difference in brightness. And as you can see, after we adjusted light, you can see that now I have more precise light right on my laptop. And whether you're doing crafting, whether you're working in an office, this light could be precise. It could be adjusted to your specific settings, to your specific likings. And overall, I absolutely love this light, and I highly, highly recommend to check it out. Thanks for watching.